What's up, guys? I ordered on the left here a flashlight that takes two 26-650s. This one takes two 26-650s, but they're wired in parallel. This one, they're in series. Theoretically, this one should be brighter. It is not. The chip in this one, and this is where you need to be careful on Amazon, there is the XHP 70.2. That is in this one, which is a knockoff Cree LED. That one didn't list it. So my bad for, thinking they were going to be the same. This one here, as you saw or may not have saw, when I put two 26-650s in here, it burned the driver board out in this one here. So just to give you an example of the brightness, because it is quite drastic between these two, let's turn the lights off and we'll get a look at it. Okay, so now I'm going to turn the XHP 70 on, which is the one that takes the two 26-50s. This is going to be high, and it is at, the spot. Now, above that, I'm going to turn the one that takes the XHP 70.2. You can see the drastic difference between the two. So when you're buying these on Amazon, really look and ask questions, because this is disappointing. One has 5 modes, which is the brighter one, but is wired in parallel. This one has 3 modes and is wired in series. Alright, so I got a pair of snap ring pliers here, and all I did is disassemble this tube from the light itself. And what we're going to do is just put it in them holes and twist it. We'll pop the driver out of here and take a look at what this this has 3 modes, this one has 5. So we'll take a look at the difference and why my first one blew up too, and compare it. Okay, so right there you can see that's the one with the 3 mode. That's what that circuit board looks like. Now, I did not want, because I'm so disappointed with this one and it's going back, I just ripped my other one apart, and you can see the difference. This is the one that's wired in parallel. We get in good and close, and you can see the difference. So another thing I want to point out is look at the terrible solder joints on that. Very terrible. And over here on this one, they're not much better, because that red one doesn't even have a very good solder joint on it.